Fueling up the Thunder Creek and hauling beans out of the bin to town. Kelvin in the 96, Colby in the 86. Get them hauled in, turn them into cash. Load number 4 for today, out of the bin. No, I guess not. 2 out of the field. And then we topped them off out of the bins. We didn't have them quite full and ran out of the beans at the field. So loading the last one, and then we're going to get the combines ready to move across the interstate. 100 acres over there today. Hopefully get that done and then move home tonight, seal everything up, and then head west for tomorrow on the last bean field. Moving. Heading east. Dumping. These beans are a 1.9 Bex. They're currently running 73.7 average. They're combining really nice. Well, that's awesome. Those other beans, we had the 1.9s on the last field and they got so tall, same number, I don't know. Really weird, but these are cutting nice. So yeah, well worth the time to cut them. Don't have to disc these down. Got Marna in the cart today. Colby trucking. Racing. I don't know what I'm racing into though. I can't see where I'm going. Hope there's no rocks down there. Pretty much can't see a thing. It's October 8th today. Should finish on the 9th of October. Not quite sure if we're going to dive right into corn or start strip tilling, or we'll see. This feels like when you're done with beans, you're almost done with harvest, feels like. Fun to have good yields this year. It's amazing. Little rain we had. Yeah, the beans are definitely dry now. We had a really hard frost last night. Everything is dead. Last couple passes over here across the interstate, and then we're done over here for 2022 until we come to strip till. Carts full, trucks full, and combines are about full, so I don't know if we're going to be able to make it all fit on the combines or not. Waiting for Colby to get back from town. Putting around the trailer, see how bad I can screw this up for with all you guys watching. Yep, a little too far to the left. Back up. Does everybody like the over $5 diesel fuel again? Wow. Just trying to kill this country by death by 1,000 cuts. Coming up on the Interstate 35 gravel road overpass. There isn't much traffic anymore with the price of gas. Saturday evening, pretty quiet, just a few cars. Well, here we are on the last farm. Last farm of 2022 beans. Got that strip left. But cart's full, Calvin's full, and I'm full. Which is a good problem. Got neighbor Dan driving one of my trucks today and Colby in the other, so barn will get empty and Dan will come back and we should get it all on wheels. 2022 will be wrapped up on the bean side. Well, that's all we got left of 2022. A little triangle piece of beans with a little bit of a drowned out spot in it. Getting right down there. I don't know if we can all hold it on the combine because we're still waiting on a truck. Pretty close. Calvin in the 8230 and Marna in the cart. He's got one round left and I've got this little triangle piece. And then we're done with the beans. Beans have been really good this year though. Amazing. Getting her done. Not much left. Be a good feeling to be done with beans. Get on to the corn. Rumor has it corn's pretty good too, so we'll know here in a day or so. If not tonight, you know how it is. Get done with beans and then it's like you want to just drop the head as fast as you can and put the corn head on and let her eat. But we'll see how it goes. That little batch right here is the last of my 2022 beans. There, I'm done. Calvin's got that one last pass over there. Last dump for the 9230 on beans. I don't know if we'll have quite a load, full load for Colby or not. The elevator closes at 5 today on Sunday. So, see what happens. See how much we end up with. I don't know how much Calvin has on. I don't think it's a lot. Of a load probably. Well, that's about it. The rest are going to go in the corn bin. Done with beans, Max. Yep, should we go get some corn samples, see what the corn's testing? Let's go find out. 108 day, 21.8, 57.1 pounds. That was the first field I planted. 108 day. I got combines home, blew the heads off. Now we're hauling out the beans that we had to put in the bin because we didn't have room at night time, so we'd keep the combines going. We'd dump it in the holding bin and the Conrad bin, so now we got to haul that out. Get that bin empty for corn. That's what Colby and I are doing today. On the Hamlin town. Get the beans out. We need the holding bin for corn. So that's the plan for Monday. Got the strip till bar GPS all lined up. Hayden Olson came over and did that. Did a great job of setting that all up. Got the globe on the strip till bar and the RTK on the tractor. So we're gonna have to get that up and running here pretty soon. Got all the bean ground that can be done. Except my fertilizer truck is a hurting unit right now. It's got an injector out, and I guess when the injector goes out, it takes the ECM out. And then we found the air compressor's leaking oil. Yeah, it's a mess. Might end up renting one from the elevator to get going. And the 92's got to get serviced, air cleaner blow it out, switched over to corn. But first we got to get the beans hauled.